Y'all just do it. Just move around.
You taking a video of it?
Yeah, I am. Get up there and do it for me.
I know why.
No, get up there. Kristen, move around a little more. Do it. Jump around. Do something. There you go. That's a good start. Where'd Littleton run off to? Over there? Yeah, I can see you. You can't do Zumba on the stairs.
Why?
Cause you get hurt.